We've been through all your grandma's drawers and closets, so we're officially out of things to do. By the way, women's underpants don't all look like that. If you're curious about how people dressed in pioneer days, you're welcome. Boo. What to do? See, this is what we needed. A little fresh air, change of scenery. Oh, look! I got hammered at that winery. And that one? Oh, did coke behind that one with a gentleman in long boots. Don't look at me with that judgy face. Damn, it's so adorable. I should have spent more time looking at Christy's face when she was a baby. I bet it was cute. Getting sad. Let's crank some tunes. Oh! Give that conga. No, you can't control your body any longer. Oh, fuck it. Do the bumper. Oh, damn. Oh. You feel like helping me change a tire? Don't pretend to be asleep. Are you kidding me? Great, Marjorie. No spare tire, but you got an emergency Christmas sweater. Oh, no. 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 Oh. Sophia! See the little button? Open the door. Do you know open? Whoa! Oh, don't laugh at me. I'm trying to help you. Oh, my God. I'm failing another baby. Okay, don't panic. Just think. Bad idea. Look at me. No, it's a bad idea before I did it. Oh. Don't worry. Aunt Bonnie knows how to break into cars. Stop with the judgy face. Better. Yes. Here's Bonnie. I am amazing. And stuck in a trunk.